Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking gochujang seafood fried noodles. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive Local Chinese Delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we'll start to fry our seafood first. Heat up a pan, add in a little bit of oil, swirl the oil around a little bit just to coat the pan. I'm using medium heat at this moment. Add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. Move the garlic around. We'll add in our prawns after we smell the beautiful aromatics from the garlic. Once you can smell it, we'll add in our prawns. I have with me over here 8 pieces of prawns. Deshelled and deveined. With the shell on is approximately 360 grams. With the shell off is approximately 180 grams. Put them all in, spread them out. Do not move them around. We're going to cook the prawns until they are approximately 80% done. We just want the prawns to be red on one side first before we flip them over. If the pan is a little bit dry, add in a little bit more oil. Once they are red, we'll just flip them over like this. Now we add in our squid, 80 grams of squid, put them in. Squid cooks very fast, so just leave a little bit of spacing for the squid. They're almost done already. Already this smelling very good. Another 10 or 15 seconds and this will be done. Don't overcook them. Once they look like this, we'll remove them from heat. Using the same pan or wok, add in a little bit more oil. Add in 4 cloves of garlic chopped. 1 teaspoon of young ginger, grated. Put them in. Move them around until we can smell them. This dish is pretty easy to put together and it's very delicious. Now of course, if you don't like seafood, you can use chicken or pork, no problem at all. Any kind of protein that you like. We'll fry them until they are slightly brown. Something like this will be good. Now I add in 400 milliliters of water. Add in 100 grams of gochujang or 3 tablespoons. Mix them up well first. Make sure that the gochujang dissolves. Once it starts to boil, you add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. We'll start by adding in 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce first. Because different brands of gochujang have different level of saltiness, so just add 3 first. Give this a taste to make sure that it's savory enough. We can use 1 more tablespoon. So a total of 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Now we're adding our noodles. I'm using yellow noodles over here. If you are using dried noodles, please blanch your noodles first. These are cooked yellow noodles, approximately 600 grams. Just put everything in. Spread them out. We want the noodles to be coated very well with the sauce. We need to cook this until the sauce has been reduced to just a very thick sauce so that the noodles will be coated very well with the sauce and then it will be super delicious. It might look saucy now, but after a while, the sauce will coat the noodles very well. Now we're adding our seafood. Everything in. Add in a bunch of your favorite greens. I'm using choy sum over here or cai xin. This is optional. I'm using 2 pieces of big red chili, deseeded, sliced like this. Look at how beautiful this is. Add in also 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Mix them up again. Wow, look at how beautiful this is. So colorful and so beautiful. Now we just need to soften the vegetables. Once the vegetables soften, this will be almost done. This is going to be so delicious. Now we add in a good sprinkle of white sesame seed. After you're done with this, turn off the flame, and now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells really good. The one thing that I really love about this is the mild spiciness and the very, very beautiful sesame oil fragrance. Let's try the squid. Oh, very tender, cooked just perfectly nice. Prawns. Super sweet, super good. This is really, really a very, very delicious dish. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you, bye bye.